First, start by locating two security screws, one at the top and one at the bottom of the luminaire, to release the decorative cage. Next step is to locate and remove 6 Phillips screws to release the light diffuser using a Phillips screwdriver. Set both the cage and the light diffuser with the screws aside until ready to reinstall. The next step is to verify and ensure that the correct substrate mounting hardware has been chosen for the installation of the luminaire. Whether installing into an exterior recessed pocket or an interior gypsum surface or onto an exterior stone or brick wall, proper selection of mounting hardware is vital for a long service life and to protect the luminaire from environmental contaminants. Ensure that the proper mounting hardware is selected and used to correctly match the installing substrate. Carefully position the LED mounting plate over the recessed junction box. The orange line side disconnects on the back of the fixture should be centered over the junction box. Using a marking device of your choice, mark the locations of the mounting holes, using the 6 mounting holes in the plate. Now drill out the mounting holes and install the anchoring system that was chosen for the substrate. Now remove the female side of the orange line side disconnect from the back side of the luminaire and wire it to your junction box, black to black, white to white, and green to green. Carefully lift the mounting plate to the junction box and connect the orange male disconnect on the back side of the mounting plate to the orange female disconnect and align the plate with the mounting holes. Now secure the mounting plate with the appropriately chosen mounting screws. Only use hand tools for tightening the mounting plate to the wall. Do not use powered tools for securing the plate. Caution should be taken to not over-torque the mounting screws, as this may warp the mounting plate and may not allow the diffuser to seal properly to the pad gasket provided. Now reinstall the light diffuser with the 6 original Phillips screws provided with the luminaire. Now install the Voyager 2 cage with the 2 security screws provided, one at the top and one at the bottom of the cage. You can now energize the luminaire. Thank you for watching the Voyager 2 installation video.